Hey, Amanda here, bringing you into our life at Hotel Moro. We've been doing a lot of demo work lately. I kind of showed you a little bit in the last video, but today we're going to take a look at the lobby and see what we've been up to. First, I want to take you back to show you what it looked like when we first started. If you're excited for this video, please hit like so more people can see it. Don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free to do so and you can change your mind at any time. Also, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when our videos are posted, which should be every Tuesday. We've spent a lot of time emptying out all the stuff that was on the main floor, but now that that's done, it's time to start some demo work. So we've decided that the ceiling is in too bad of shape and it's not really worth the time and effort to save it the way it is. So we're pulling down all the lath and plaster and starting over from scratch. We strategically kind of started in one area, and the main reason we did that was that we got all of that kind of cleared out and ready, and then we moved all of the big pieces of furniture that we still have into that corner so that we could kind of tarp it and protect it and then work on the rest of the space. We still have like the organ, piano, some of those big pieces, and we don't want to have to move them very far. While Travis was working in that area, he did make a discovery.
Okay, what is that? It looks like a little flask. That's pretty cool. Huh. That's pretty cool.
So stashed up there was this, it's a tobacco tin. So we have it saved and we'll have to display it somewhere in the building once our project's finished. So we knew this project would be really messy, so we left most of the floor coverings in place, even though our plan is to remove them as well, so that it's not damaging the actual floor that we're hoping to restore that's underneath. So our process was pull down the plaster, pull down the lath, clean up our mess, and then rip up any of the flooring that is underneath, and then move on to another section. Even beyond the mess that taking down the lath and plaster makes, there's like these pockets up there of just debris. I'm not sure if it was kind of how they dealt with some of it as they were going, but it's kind of funny because you expect to find back behind the lath are the plaster keys, which is like the chunks of plaster that get embedded in there that hold the plaster in place. So you expect to find debris, but it's funny when you find like a big pile of it and you're not quite sure how it got there. So another fun find that Travis found as he was pulling down the ceiling is some of the patch was pieces of drywall, pieces of plywood, but one of the pieces of plywood was actually part of a sign that would have been along the highway somewhere that said Moro Hotel Coffee Shop. So we pulled that down. We're gonna save it and use it somewhere in our coffee shop as a fun display piece. Taking down lath and plaster makes a huge mess. I don't recommend it. If there's a way to repair what you've got, I would definitely do that. So as we were pulling up the layers on the flooring, we were pleasantly surprised that the floors are actually in pretty good shape. There is one area that was damaged and did not get repaired very nicely, but we'll have some flooring people come in and help us get that patched correctly. So as you can see, we're making some good progress. It almost feels a little overwhelming now that we have done some more demo work and seeing how much work we still have in front of us, but this is going to be the area for our coffee shop, so it is priority number one at this point. So we are trying to get as much done as fast as we can so that we can get that open soon. So as you can see, we've made a lot of progress, and I can't wait to get more done. Thank you for watching today, and I hope to see you next week.